Dear delegates, sponsors, exhibitors, students, and all the participants who have logged in, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar.
Hello,
Good morning.
good afternoon.
Good evening to all people connected from different parts of the world.
Welcome to PinCon Expo and Conference 2021.
I'm Mamta Chinia, your host.
And I am Manish Mishra, your co host. Our colleague, Mr. Gaurav Agarwal, shall be taking care of the technical support during the conference. We appreciate that you have taken time off your busy schedule to join us today. We are really sorry for the delayed start due to the technical glitch, and we hope this conference shall be engaging and fruitful for you.
PinCon, or Pipeline Integrity Conference, is NACE India's first conference and exhibition dedicated to bring significant awareness to the important subject of corrosion in pipeline integrity management.
Pipelines are the safest and most environment friendly option for transporting oil, gas, and other critical resources of the nation. They serve as the vital circulatory system, which needs to be maintained at its most optimum operating conditions at all times.
However, many factors such as corrosion, public sabotage, pilferages, and even aging of pipelines can cause severe casualties and affect precious lives directly and indirectly.
Therefore, it is imperative that the health of pipelines is optimally maintained through constant innovation in existing technologies, R&D, and upgrading technical skills on a regular basis. This will ensure that our precious pipelines stay safe and reliable for its design life and beyond.
The theme for this year's PinCon is Post COVID Atmanirbharta in Pipeline Integrity for a Sustainable Future. This theme has specially been selected keeping in mind the current COVID 19 pandemic and the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Atiti Devo Bhava is a well-known Sanskrit saying meaning guest is God, and Atmanirbhar Bharat is a Hindi word. Mamta, could you explain to all our foreign delegates what Atmanirbhar Bharat means?
Sure, Manish. Atmanirbhar Bharat is a Hindi word which stands for Self Reliant India. By adopting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat during and post COVID 19, India will be able to build a sustainable future not only for its assets but also for the citizens of the country. This shall have a positive impact in global scenario.
This event offers an excellent platform to discuss all aspects of pipeline integrity through exchange of information on matters concerning corrosion, learning about existing upcoming technologies, and networking. With participation from academic and research institutions, public and private sector organizations, including defense establishments, the conference intends to unite corrosion professionals to tackle corrosion issues and inform participants of the latest solutions and methods to create a self-sustainable future.
Safety is paramount in these times, and we hope all our viewers are taking the necessary measures for being safe. So, we are organizing this conference on a virtual platform.
PinCon is co-sponsored by our main sponsor Linscan, our Gold Plus sponsors IOCL, Ace Pipelines, Halliburton Vasu, Seal for Life Industries, Tinker and Razor, Jindal India, HPCL, and Petronet LNG.
Our gold sponsors include Jeff Techno, Allied Engineers, KB Singh and Associate, VKBC, Parma Pipe, BLS Polymer, Baruch, Ratnamani, SAG Projects, VCS Quality, Rosen, Cosaco, Metal Samples, and Jindal Saw.
And our exhibitors, which include Denso GmbH, Cortec, CTS, Gerda, Transpipe, 3M, DEN, Global Instruments, NPO Russia, and Metatech.
Before we proceed any further, it's our holy tradition to worship the goddess of knowledge, Ma Saraswati, prior to any important event. So let's dedicate a prayer to Ma Saraswati.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा
So, with the blessings of the Almighty, let's start with the proceedings.
Do you know, Manish, that NACE and SSPC have united to serve the corrosion protection and coating industry?
Yes, Mamta. Introducing AMP, which is short for Association for Material Protection and Performance. Let's hear the video address from Robert H. Chalker, Chief Executive Officer of AMP, and Mr. Tim Beery, Board Chair for AMP. Here we go.
Welcome, my friends and colleagues, to the NACE, or should I say AMP, Pipeline Integrity Conference. Let me begin by congratulating the organizers of this conference for their creativity and persistence to offer such an outstanding event, even in these challenging times. It was almost a year ago when we first heard the term COVID-19. I don't think any of us could have conceived how this virus would completely disrupt the world, and I don't expect that any of us would have thought we would still be struggling under its impact a year later. Although life has changed, it has continued on for all of us. This is no different for our organization. COVID's disruption has not prevented us from doing that which is most important for our members and the industry we serve. I am pleased to introduce you to the Association for Material Protection and Performance. AMP brings together two of the world's most prestigious organizations who are dedicated to protecting our society's assets from the negative effects of corrosion. Throughout 2020, more than 200 members, organized into more than 14 committees, have been working together to define our new organization, developing policies and processes, determining what products, programs, and services will be offered, and how we will bring the overlapping products together to best meet the needs of our members and customers, your professional needs and wants. I hope you have been following the progress that has been made through the many online town halls, emails, social media, and web postings. If not, please visit ampp.org to catch up. And stay tuned, for there are many, many more great things to come in the weeks, months, and years ahead. Let me close by thanking the many dedicated volunteers and members who have worked so hard to put this conference together. It is our volunteers, men and women in India and around the world, who have committed their lives to fighting corrosion and protecting our assets that make AMPP the great organization that we are. Thank you for allowing me to join you, and I hope your experience during the conference is an excellent one. I very much look forward to COVID being a distant memory, and I am able to join you once again in person. Thank you, and have a great event.
Hello, I'm the board chair for the Association for Materials Protection and Performance, and I'd like to add my welcome to India's first annual conference and expo on pipeline integrity. It is fantastic to see the continued sharing of knowledge and best practices and networking during this pandemic. Congratulations and thank you to the volunteers and staff that have organized this virtual conference in these especially challenging times. Today, India has tens of thousands of kilometers of liquid and natural gas pipelines, with more being constructed in the near future. The demand for energy is expected to continue to grow, and there is a real shift away from carbon-intensive energy sources, such as coal, to lower carbon sources like natural gas. It is easy to see why pipeline integrity management will become even more important. We need our pipelines to be safe and reliable. Corrosion management is a key component of pipeline integrity management. Understanding the credible corrosion threats and utilizing the appropriate barriers to mitigate those threats serves as a solid foundation. We also need to have a continuous improvement management cycle that routinely tests the robustness of our programs and enables the appropriate corrective action. We know corrosion management is not free, but it should not be viewed as a cost. Rather, corrosion management is an investment that should pay dividends by maximizing the pipeline operational life and minimizing the wasteful costs. While corrosion follows first principles, the application of new technology will have a significant impact in the way we manage corrosion. The fourth industrial revolution is ushering in technologies such as the Internet of Things, inexpensive sensors, machine learning and analytics, robotics, drones, and digital twins, just to name a few. These technologies will unlock new capabilities to detect and respond to corrosion swiftly with intelligence and confidence. I hope you'll take the opportunity to actively engage in the symposia, panel discussions, and exhibit hall in order to learn from and network with other corrosion professionals. I look forward to the day where we can connect in person, but until then, stay safe and keep up the fight against corrosion. Thank you.
So that was Mr. Chalker and Mr. Beery all the way from AMP USA. We also have with us video messages from NACE India Chairman Mr. Kamakshi Modali, NACE India Representative Mr. Tushar Javeri and Mr. N. Manohar Rao. Let's hear from them.
Good morning. I welcome you all as the chairman of NACE International Gateway India section to this first annual event on a virtual platform, the Pipeline Integrity Conference organized by NACE International Gateway India section, North Zone. NACE International USA is a more than 7 decades world professional body of the corrosion fraternity, which is serving to the society, industry, academia and research on various aspects of organizing conferences, training courses, conducting certification programs, publishing the journals, books, and many aspects of very high relevant and useful to the corrosion fraternity all over the world. NACE International USA is recently joined hands with the Society for Protective Coating SSPC and has turned into a new organization, AMPP, that is Association for Materials Protection and Performance. I welcome you all for this first ever PinCon 2020, the annual conference on pipeline integrity and the expo associated with it. Ladies and gentlemen, we had a bad year in 2020. Starting from March 2020, all of us know that the spread of coronavirus and the pandemic situation in COVID has created a lot of delay in organizing many programs that is of relevant to the corrosion community. However, since starting March end, the NACE International India section has planned many digital programs, starting with the World Corrosion Awareness Day on May 1, and then we had many courses and training programs, technical talks that is highly useful to the NACE community in India and also the other corrosion professionals. I am very happy now that NACE International Gateway India section North Zone has planned this wonderful event, Pipeline Integrity, which is very, very important today. Pipeline is the lifeline of a nation, which is very, very useful for transporting very valuable materials like oil, gas, water, chemicals and many ingredients that are very, very important to the growth of market and the growth of the technology in the country. This topic has been aptly chosen by the NACE International Gateway India section North Zone, and they have also roped in many industries, associations and companies that are relevant to pipeline integrity. Matching with the government's Atmanirbhar Bharat or the self-reliance, this conference is also giving a provision for thinking about the self-reliance in the pipeline integrity conference, in the pipeline integrity domain. I am very happy that the digital event, which has been aptly conceived by the North Zone, has come to a very good shape, and I don't think that you will have any time lag where you will get bored or you may think that you are out of the picture, because the event has been beautifully conceived with the participation of many industries, companies and associations and organizations as exhibitors, as participants, as displaying their products in this particular virtual platform. I have no doubt that all of you will enjoy for the 2 days, February 5 and 6, this wonderful first annual conference PinCon with wholehearted approach and participation, where you will get listening to the topmost professionals in the pipeline integrity domain. I, on behalf of the NACE International Gateway India section as the chairman, I congratulate the North Zone, all its leaders and all its members and the office staff who have made wonderful effort to make this conference a grand success. I wish all the delegates also grant participation in the event and get benefited, and certainly you have a wonderful takeaway from this event. Thank you very much. All the best.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tushar Jhaveri, past president of NACE International. Welcome to PinCon, our special conference by India Section North Zone on pipeline integrity management. Most of you are aware that NACE and SSPC have recently merged, and the new name for our association is the Association for Materials Protection and Performance. I'm going to share with you the impact of this merger and show you the picture of our future. AMPP is now the leading source for materials protection and performance information, standards, education, certification, and contractor accreditation. We are now structured around its global membership, from bylaws to committees, to ensure inclusive perspective in the development of programs, standards, services, etc. Larger, more widespread membership strengthens political advocacy, influence on behalf of industry, and this is going to be a big plus of our merger. Over time, certification programs will be combined to enhance the value of all certifications to both certified personnel and specifiers of the certifications. With regard to the certifications, all current SSPC and NACE personnel certifications will continue to be recognized and supported through the combination process. Certification programs that overlap will be consolidated. Existing certification holders will be provided a path to recertify into the continuing program when their certification comes due. Until the AMPP certification program is launched, the cardholder will recertify under the respective program. And until the certification program is launched, a cardholder who holds 2 overlapping certifications will be required to renew in only one of the certification programs. Standards. All existing standards that bear the NACE or SSPC name will continue to be used without change. Any new standards developed following the merger will bear the AMPP name. You will agree the complexity of the standards governance and determining a decision tree and developing a timeline will require work to continue into 2021. Membership. As of Jan 11, 2021, current membership, renewing and new members will have dual membership and access to both organizations' benefits and services while the merging process continues and until all components of each organization are completely merged into AMPP. There are 3 tiered options for corporate members and 2 main options for general members, as well as a lifetime option for members over the age of 65. A young professional membership option for members under the age of 35 and a student's option. All have varying levels of benefits and pricing. Sections and chapters. All chapters and section activities will continue to operate as usual until late 2021. AMPP's communities of interest will be launched later this year to allow members to engage globally with industry professionals who share interests. Conferences. The Corrosion 2021 will be a virtual conference in April. The Coatings Plus will take place in December, and the new combined conference for AMPP will be held from March 6th to 10th, 2022 in San Antonio, Texas. So AMPP by numbers. The merger is going to make us stronger and even more viable. We will have 40 plus thousand members in 130 countries, 1,200 corporate members, 400 plus technical committees with 6,000 plus volunteers, 4,000 standards and technical reports, 1,021 education courses, 7,418 of online students, 583 certified instructors, 12,505 students in 51 countries, 63,824 certifications. So as you can see, we are not only a larger, but we are going to be a stronger organization, and we will be able to support our membership even more and provide even more benefits and value additions for our members. We look forward to your continued support to the association. And with this introduction, I thank you all for your attention and look forward to interacting with you all during PinCon, and hope you have a very interesting and useful time attending this first virtual conference by NACE in India. Thank you very much.
Greetings from NACE International Gateway India section. NACE International has recently merged with SSPC and is now known as AMPP. While NACE is a global leader in the field of corrosion, SSPC is a leader in coatings. Together, we can build a robust structure in India. I would like to compliment Mr. Atul Joshi, President North Zone, and his team members for the untiring work done to ensure the success of this conference. This conference, the Pipeline Integrity Conference, abbreviated as PinCon, to be held on the 5th and 6th February 2021 through the virtual platform, is the first of its kind. They have selected the best speakers to speak on the subject. We have around 50,000 kilometers of pipeline in the country. Various methods of integrity management is being followed. Hence, this conference would bring about the best practices in the field of integrity management. I would like to thank the sponsors and exhibitors for standing with NACE in these difficult times. I, along with the section governing board and the executive committee members, wish the conference a huge success. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your blessings. We have with us our conference chairman, Dr. Soumitra Shankar Gupta. Dr. Gupta has been in the industry for the last 35 years. He has been at the forefront of pipeline integrity management activities at Indian Oil Corporation. His areas of expertise includes inline inspection, cathodic protection, pipeline coating, and pipeline risk assessment. Let us hear from respected conference chairman, sir, Dr. S.S. Gupta.
NACE Northern Region is organizing PinCon on 5th and 6th February 2021. The initiative is important and relevant primarily on account of the topic chosen and the point of view of India's energy ambition. Our nation is one of the top 3 energy users in the world, and indications are already there about fast-paced growth in hydrocarbon energy sector. The focus is now on larger use of gas as a fuel. The target set up by Government of India is to achieve share of gas up to 15% by 2030. This means tremendous expansion of gas pipeline network. Meanwhile, existing network of pipeline is also getting aged. Nearly 30% of pipelines are more than 30 years in service, and some are in service for more than 50 years. Thus, the challenge is twofold: maintain good health of existing network and ensure quality of new lines. In both these areas, pipeline integrity management plays a key role. The nation depends on us, the pipeliners, to ensure that such high volume of energy is transported safely and reliably, with minimum damage to the environment. To achieve excellence in pipeline integrity management, not only one must have theoretical knowledge, field experience, and execution skill, but also an innovative mind. In fact, a good integrated engineer should be a jack of all trades and master of some. This conference has been conceived and designed keeping in mind the challenges that an integrated engineer face in all his assignments. Well thought out topic with high relevance are included in the agenda and shall be dealt by experts. Effort has been made to cover all the conventional areas of integrated management as well as some new areas. Special thrust is naturally on corrosion control in general and in oil and gas pipelines in particular. Some of the emerging techniques of corrosion controls are also covered, and the new generation are adept to more digital technologies, and effort has been made to cover digital areas of corrosion control. Special thrust is naturally in the ILI, being a very convenient tool in the hands of pipeline engineers. Naturally, ILI has been considered as one of the major weapon in our fight against corrosion control. Overall, the content has been extremely relevant and appropriate from the point of view of knowledge sharing and awareness building. I'm sure that the seminar will go a long way to serve the industry and encourage pipeline integrated engineers to commit themselves more vigorously towards achieving the goal of zero failure in the pipeline through infusion of technology and methods that are most modern and relevant. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your wisdom and welcoming everyone. Now it's time to hear from NACE India North Zone President Lieutenant Colonel Atush Joshi. Sri A.K. Joshi has more than 21 years of experience in oil and gas sector and is an expert in the field of execution of cross-country pipeline projects and cathodic protection. I would like to request respected President Sir Atul Krishna Joshi to kindly address the gathering.
Well, Jai Hind and very good afternoon to all of you. Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Member PNGRB, Shri Satpal Garg ji, respected Guest of Honor, Shri Pramod Narang ji, Director Technical Petronet LNG Limited, Senior NACE Mentors, Shri Tushar Javeri, Dr. Kamachi Mudali, and Shri Manohar Rao, my dear NACE North Zone mates, and of course the esteemed delegates, sponsors and exhibitors, and my dear students. On behalf of North Zone NACE, I, Lieutenant Colonel Atul K. Joshi, President North Zone, wholeheartedly welcome you all to this first PinCon NACE Virtual Conference 2021. Today marks the NACE India North Zone's first annual virtual event PinCon dedicated to pipeline integrity, and we are extremely thankful to NACE International, which is now AMPP, Association for Material Protection and Performance, to proudly host this technical conference and expo with a unique 3D immersive platform so as to benefit maximum contributors of the corrosion industry. During the pandemic COVID-19, the pipeline industry bore a major brunt through unexpected lockdowns, disrupted maintenance schedules, and unexpected loss to invaluable manpower. This resulted in major compromise of integrity of our precious pipelines and disruption of economy through jobless and cash flow issues. But as it is rightly said, if necessity is the mother of invention, then adversity must surely be the father of reinvention. The COVID-19 pandemic was adversity which was called for immediate measures to bring together experts of the industry from around the world so as to protect the integrity of pipelines. This led to the birth of India's first PinCon, that is the Pipeline Integrity Conference. Well, PinCon is a ray of hope. PinCon is a step towards uniting the pipeline industry people. PinCon, in one word, is a step towards Atmanirbharta. In this 1.5 day event, the benefits and business opportunity of one and all has been thoughtfully drafted. A unique 3D sponsorship and exhibition zone has been created, which is not only a visual appealing but also a creativity given by the outcome of brainy people. It gives the maximum gain to Indian and international business organizations. Visitors from around the world are completely free of charge, and the students are 100% sponsored by our main sponsor, that is the LINSCAN, and have a unique opportunity to gain a NACE PinCon certificates. So my request to all the students is to be associated with this conference through and through. The technical symposia has been specifically selected keeping in mind the most important topic of this discussion of the industry. Our technical chair, Shri Anil Meghani, will provide detailed description of the same. Mr. Meghani is also Vice President of NACE North Zone. Our last event for tomorrow evening is going to be highly advantageous. You must definitely not miss it, as our distinguished experts on the topic corrosion education in India with the theme that secure metal, ensure capital. Before I take a leave, I must also tell you about NACE India's initiative for corrosion education in India through short videos called Corrosion Vodcast, which shall be playing during Corcon, and I am sure you will all be going to enjoy it. It is a step towards learning of corrosion for the students and for the industry. So these podcasts are an added advantage for the people who are joining this conference. I would like to take the opportunity to express my sincere appreciation and extend a warm welcome once again to our all esteemed Gold Plus and Gold sponsors, exhibitors, advertisers, and our important delegates and my dear students. Remember, we need you as much as you need us, and that's why we are very grateful to have you all with us for this PinCon 2021. Thank you very much, and now let us welcome our guest of honor. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for giving a brief on the conference PinCon.
We have a video message from our guest of honor, Shri Pramod Narangji from Petronet LNG. He is a mechanical engineer and joined Indian Oil Corporation Limited in 1985, thereafter rising to the rank of Executive Director in the company.
Shri Narang has made immense contributions in various fields like design, detailed engineering, and execution of cross-country oil and gas pipeline projects. He also played a central role in execution and commissioning of India's first transnational petroleum products pipeline to Nepal, with an objective of accomplishing uninterrupted supply of high-speed diesel and motor spirit to one of the most important neighbors of the country. This project was completed in a record time. Currently, he is engaged as Director Technical in Petronet LNG. Let's hear from Mr. Narang.
My dear friends and esteemed colleagues, greetings to you from all of us at Petronet LNG Limited. It's a pleasure that NACE is conducting India's first virtual pipeline integrity conference and expo titled PinCon 2021. What's more satisfying is that the present edition has come out with one of the most appropriate themes in today's context, that is post-COVID self-reliance in pipeline integrity for a sustainable future. NACE India has been instrumental in promoting awareness about corrosion, protection against it, and its control for almost 3 decades now. I am sure the present endeavor shall be extremely beneficial in bringing significant awareness about existing and upcoming products and technologies related to the subject. At the same time, it would also serve as a platform providing innumerable opportunities of value exchange and networking to the participants. Among all hydrocarbon fuels, natural gas is a clean, efficient, and a cheaper alternative. our country has committed to increase the share of natural gas in the energy mix from a present level of about 6% to 15% by 2030. With a huge network of existing and upcoming natural gas pipelines, over 2,500 CNG stations, and a vast LNG import infrastructure located coastally, it becomes important to also focus upon corrosion mitigation in this field. Therefore, I am looking forward to this symposium in bringing out technical papers on cathodic protection in LNG storage tanks, corrosion monitoring in insulated piping network carrying cryogenic fluids, corrosion control of marine facilities, corrosion monitoring and mitigation in city gas distribution, etc., offering possible solution to the issue being faced by the industry. I hope this conference would be an enriching experience to all the participants. I wish a great success to PinCon 2021. My best wishes to the organizers for the same. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and encouraging words. Our chief guest for the event is Shri Satpal Garg, Honorable Member, Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. Mr. Garg joined as member PNGRB in 2017 after having 36 years professional experience in domestic and international exploration and production industry. He joined ONGC in 1982 and his last assignment was as Director Finance ONGC Videsh Limited.
As Director Finance of ONGC Videsh Limited, Mr. Garg has made significant contributions in streamlining and strengthening internal controls, accounting, budgetary control, acquisition, and business development activities of the company, and raising finance in the domestic and international market.
Shri Garg is a commerce graduate from University of Delhi and a fellow chartered accountant from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. He is also a fellow company secretary from the Institute of Company Secretaries of India and associate member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. We have with us his video message. Let's hear from him.
Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board is the regulator for technical specifications including safety standards and integrity management of pipelines, city gas distribution networks. And corrosion is big challenge for any infrastructure industry, and it affects about 3% of global GDP. Each one of us know that corrosion not only affects us economically, its effect on environment and individual safety is far more serious than economic costs. NACE International has been working on corrosion control and awareness for more than 6 decades. Presence of NACE International in more than 100 countries and its association makes all possible efforts to spread awareness and knowledge. We all have been part of NACE directly or indirectly all through our professional careers. I am pleased to note that North Zone of NACE India is coming up with first ever virtual conference on pipeline integrity. Conference PinCon on 5th and 6th February 2021. I have been briefed about the technical area coverage on integrity aspects and profile of speakers and participant organizations. With the coverage in technical symposia, I am pretty sure that most of us working towards integrity management, be it in the area of pipeline or CGD or marine corrosion, are going to update and refresh our knowledge. Let this conference be the breeding ground for new ideas in the functional area. With the participation of students from universities, I am sure that the key speakers will be able to ignite thoughts and innovations in younger minds towards overall benefit of largest stakeholder, the society. And I express my best wishes for success of PinCon.
Now we request Mr. Garg to formally inaugurate PinCon with the traditional lamp lighting, which shall be done virtually. Here it is.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
We humbly thank you, sir, for the formal inauguration of PinCon. And now it is time for the inauguration of the Corrosion Vodcasts. NACE India has made short video stories called Corrosion Vodcasts for school students, college students, and industry professionals for promoting corrosion awareness at an early stage.
We have with us Chief General Manager, Projects, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Shri Manoj K. Sharma. He has more than 25 years of experience in planning, design, execution, operation and maintenance of large petroleum handling terminals and oil, LPG and gas pipelines. We request Mr. Sharma to kindly inaugurate the Corrosion Vodcast.
Namaskar. Thank you for giving this opportunity for the inauguration of the Corrosion Vodcasts. Corrosion, as we all know, is the biggest single cause of plant and equipment breakdown, including machinery, vessels, structures, and pipelines, which not only results in loss of productivity and man hours, but at times is fatal too. We all are ethically responsible for managing corrosion. While corrosion control methods are applied in the industry, it is equally important to educate school and college students on aspects of corrosion and its management. NACE India North Zone has taken an excellent initiative for the development of these educational podcasts for academia as well as industries to create corrosion awareness. I hope that these podcasts will provide excellent platform to the students for generating their interest in the field of corrosion and inspire them to become future experts in the field of corrosion mitigation. At the same time, these podcasts will also be useful for the industry professionals and will prove instrumental in our fight against corrosion and maintaining the structural integrity of our assets. Now, I formally unfold these corrosion podcasts for the knowledge enhancement of academia and industry. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Dear all, for the next 5 minutes, you'll get enthralled to see how the science of corrosion can be enjoyable and interesting at the same time. So, let us take a glimpse.
Welcome to Corrosion Podcast Part. This module is of approximately 6 minutes. Enjoy the science of corrosion.
आज तो छुट्टी है बेटा. So what are your plans for today?
मंडे को मेरा साइंस टेस्ट है. I have to study a chapter on metals and इसमें कोई मजा नहीं आता. You know ना डैड, मजा आएगा तभी तो समझ आएगा.
पर बेटा समझ आएगा तभी तो मजा आएगा. एंड मेटल्स टॉपिक तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. यू वांटेड टू विजिट द कुतुब मीनार ना? तो चलो लेट्स गो.
What, Dad? Qutub Minar? I already know that it was built by Qutubuddin Aibak in 1193. और मेरी हिस्ट्री टीचर ने ये भी बताया था that it was built immediately after the defeat of Delhi's last Hindu kingdom.
वेरी गुड. और भी बहुत कुछ है कुतुब मीनार के बारे में.
Come on, Dad. आपको पता तो है मैं साइंस टेस्ट के लिए पढ़ रहा हूँ. I want to know something more about metals, not about historical monuments, Dad.
हाँ, यही तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. About the interesting science behind the historical monuments, especially the iron pillar, जो कुतुब मीनार के पास है.
हैं? That sounds interesting, Dad. Okay, चलो चलते हैं फिर.
Finally, पहुंच गए.
Wow, that looks interesting. But what happens next, Manish?
Well, stay tuned. Don't miss the rest of the podcast, which will be played during the break. And last but not the least, we request NACE North Zone Secretary, Srimati Nivedita Bhattacharya ma'am from EIL to kindly extend the vote of thanks.
Distinguished guests, delegates, speakers, students, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege and honor to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on the inauguration of PinCon Conference and Expo 2021. I, Nivedita S. Bhattacharya, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Honorable Member of Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board, Sri Satpal Garg ji, for inaugurating the PinCon and taking out time from his very busy schedule. I must mention my sincere thanks to respected chief guest, Honorable Member PNGRB, Sri Satpal Garg, respected guest of honor, Sri Pramod Narang, Director Technical Petronet LNG Limited, Senior NEST Mentors, Sri Tushar Javeri, Dr. Kamachi Mudali, and Sri Manohar Rao for extending good wishes for the success of PinCon. I would also like to express my gratitude to NES India President Lieutenant Colonel Atul Kumar Joshi and Conference Chairman Sri S.S. Gupta Sir. Your support, guidance, and energetic approach has made this conference happen. I would like to take this opportunity to thank NES India for their trust on all of us to create a vibrant North Zone for betterment of mankind. It's an honor to be associated with such great team members of NES India North Zone who have relentlessly and untiringly worked towards the arrangement of PinCon and making it a grand virtual event. The effort of our Vice President Mr. Anil Meghani and Mr. S.S. Gurjar shall be visible to all of you during the upcoming 1.5 days of this PinCon. The podcast developed by Dr. Jaya Raut, Dr. Arunima Shukla, Mr. Manish Mishra and Mr. Gaurav Agrawal are worth for knowledge upgradation of the corrosion fraternity. I want to specially mention the efforts of NES North Zone Manager Ms. Amarjit for her relentless contribution in making PinCon to see light of the day. A lamp is no lamp without its light. I would like to thank the Almighty for giving all of us strength and patience during this unprecedented pandemic where things have changed so abruptly. COVID-19 has transported us into virtual world, a world of timeless video conference and webinars, with work from home being as important as work from office. This is the new normal and we have to find success and growth in this normal. Last but not the least, I thank all delegates, exhibitors, speakers, and students who have joined us for this conference and expo. I hope you all will thoroughly enjoy this event and take many insights and knowledge from the proceeding of the conference. Thank you very much to all and all the best. God bless all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, it's time for a short break. Let's grab a cup of tea and get refreshed with Corrosion Podcast.
And please note, viewers, don't forget to join the new link for technical symposia after the break. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Corrosion Podcast Part. This module is of approximately 6 minutes. Enjoy the science of corrosion.
आज तो छुट्टी है बेटा. So what are your plans for today?
मंडे को मेरा साइंस टेस्ट है. I have to study a chapter on metals and इसमें कोई मजा नहीं आता. You know ना डैड, मजा आएगा तभी तो समझ आएगा.
पर बेटा समझ आएगा तभी तो मजा आएगा. एंड मेटल्स टॉपिक तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. यू वांटेड टू विजिट द कुतुब मीनार ना? तो चलो लेट्स गो.
What, Dad? Qutub Minar? I already know that it was built by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1193. और मेरी हिस्ट्री टीचर ने ये भी बताया था that it was built immediately after the defeat of Delhi's last Hindu kingdom.
वेरी गुड. और भी बहुत कुछ है कुतुब मीनार के बारे में.
Come on, Dad. आपको पता तो है मैं साइंस टेस्ट के लिए पढ़ रहा हूँ. I want to know something more about metals, not about historical monuments, Dad.
हाँ, यही तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. About the interesting science behind the historical monuments, especially the iron pillar, जो कुतुब मीनार के पास है.
हैं? That sounds interesting, Dad. Okay, चलो चलते हैं फिर.
फाइनली पहुंच गए. ये देखो बेटा, ये आयरन पिलर है. इट इज मेड ऑफ आयरन. यू नो ना बेटा, आयरन इज अ मेटल. क्या तुम्हें पता है मेटल्स में करोजन होता है?
क्या? कोरोजन? कोरोजन क्या होता है, डैड?
बेटा, मेटल जब वाटर एंड एयर के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो वो धीरे धीरे खराब होने लगता है. इसको कहते हैं डिटोरिएशन ऑफ ए मेटल एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज नोन एज करोजन. चलो लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. क्या तुम बता सकते हो तुम्हारी साइकिल की चेन किस चीज से बनी है?
I guess it is an alloy of iron. अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही तुम गए थे ना साइकिल की चेन ठीक कराने.
और ये बताओ उसमें क्या खराबी थी?
The chain had got rusted, Dad.
ओके, फिर साइकिल वाले ने क्या किया था?
I think उसने कुछ ग्रीस लगाया था and then it started moving smoothly again.
Yeah, exactly. Do you know what had happened to your bicycle chain? It had got corroded. It had got rusted. और साइकिल वाले ने जब ग्रीस लगाया था, it worked as an anti-corrosion layer to protect the chain from further corrosion.
Wait a minute, Papa. So corrosion and rusting is the same?
नहीं बेटा. जब कोई भी मेटल करोड होता है इट इज कॉल्ड करोजन. पर जब आयरन करोड होता है इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रस्टिंग.
ओके, अब समझ में आया. सो क्या हम ग्रीस से सारे मेटल्स को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
लेट्स सी. लुक एट दिस आयरन पिलर बेटा. डू यू नो हाउ ओल्ड इट इज?
Yes, Dad. My history teacher taught me this. I know. It is about 1,600 years old.
Yes. Can you believe that it has still not got corroded like your cycle chain?
हाँ, मे भी किसी ने साइकिल की तरह इस पर भी ग्रीस लगा दी होगी.
Can you see grease on the pillar, बेटा? नहीं ना. पर इसमें कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग है, जानना चाहते हो?
Of course, Dad. बताओ ना.
It has a magical invisible layer protecting it from corrosion.
Wait, Dad. I have a question. मेरी साइकिल सिर्फ 1 साल की है और ये पिलर तो 1600 साल पुराना है. And it is still not corroded. कैसे पॉसिबल है ये, Dad?
Nice question, son. क्या तुम्हें आयरन पिलर का राज जानना है? इसके पीछे इंटरेस्टिंग साइंस है. आयरन पिलर के अंदर आयरन मेटल के अलावा बहुत सारा फॉस्फोरस एंड इम्प्योरिटीज भी है. ये इम्प्योरिटीज जब एयर के साथ मिलते हैं तो ऑक्साइड्स बनाती हैं, जो कि आयरन पिलर के ऊपर एक मैजिकल लेयर बनाता है. And this interesting magical layer has protected our precious iron pillar for years and years.
Oh wow! This is so amazing! Actually, you know what, Dad? Science is really interesting. मुझे तो ये आयरन पिलर का राज जान के बहुत मजा आया and समझ भी आया. So is this the way that every iron structure is protected, Dad?
Well, son, इसका आंसर तो मजेदार साइंस से ही मिलेगा. Let's try something fun now. You know all about metals and corrosion. So then take a look around and see कौन से metals हैं and check them out. Whether they are in good condition, क्या उसमें corrosion हुआ है या फिर उसको कैसे प्रोटेक्ट किया गया है.
Yeah, sure, Dad. मजा आएगा. I'm going to do this right away.
Okay, चलो.